Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my favorite sandwich. Okay, it's going to be crazy. A lot of meat and vegetables, everything. Okay, let me show you guys what I have here. As you can see, I have my French bread. Okay, and I have my turkey breast. Okay, and also I have my salami. Okay, and my black forest meat. Okay, and also I have my roasted beef. Okay, all right, now what I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys how I make my favorite sauce. Oops. Okay, let me wash my hand real quick. Okay, and guys, this chili sauce, it's very good. Okay, you can use it for anything. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, now I'm going to add some in my bowl. Okay, for my dressing. Okay, and I'm going to use my mayonnaise. Okay, okay, let me give it a stir. Okay, it's gonna be good, guys, because you know this chili sauce, it's already very spicy, so it's gonna be good. That's the reason why I'm using it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut up my meat. Okay, just like Subway, but better. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to spread my sauce. Okay, okay, all right, that's it. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to just do a little cleanup, guys. When we come back, we'll finish everything else. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now I'm back, and you see I have all my vegetables ready. Okay, and I have my cheese, my American cheese. Okay, I'm going to use. Okay, now what I'm going to do, let me start adding my meat. Okay, a lot of meat. Okay, now I'm adding my black forest meat. Guys, it's going to be so delicious, guys. This is how I like my sandwiches. Okay, all right. Okay, that's it. And now I'm going to add my salami. Okay, extra. All right, now my lettuce. Okay, Okay. A little bit more. Okay, tomatoes. Okay, onion. Okay, and green pepper. Okay. Look at that, guys. Very, very nice. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my cheese. Very nice. I just can't wait. Okay. Not too much cheese. I'm not a cheese guy. Okay, but my meat, yeah, that should be it. Okay, for my cheese. Okay, that's it, guys. You see, that was very easy, right? Okay, all right, there you have it. Okay, all right, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm gonna do a little cleanup. Oh, I forgot my Italian seasoning. Okay, voila. I'm going to do a little cleanup, guys, and then when we come back, we'll finish up everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's finish up our sandwich. Okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay. There you have it. All right. That's how I make my sandwich. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. That's it for me. If you have any question, okay, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, click on the like button, and then don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.